We will solve the exponential equation step by step, using thick text on a black background. The equation is 4 to the power x minus 2 equals 40. Step 1. Recognize that the unknown x is in the exponent, so logarithms will help. Step 2. Take the natural log of both sides. Step 3. Use the power rule for logarithms. The natural log of a to the b equals b times the natural log of a, so we bring x minus 2 in front. Step 4. Solve for x minus 2 by dividing both sides by natural log of 4. Step 5. Add 2 to both sides to isolate x. Step 6. Compute a decimal approximation. Natural log of 40 is approximately 3.6889, and natural log of 4 is approximately 1.3863. Their ratio is approximately 2.6610. Therefore, x is approximately 2 plus 2.6610, which is 4.6610. Step 7. State the exact and approximate answers, and perform a quick consistency check. Exact form x equals 2 plus natural log of 40 over natural log of 4. Approximate value x is about 4.6610. Quick check. 4 to the power x minus 2 equals e to the power natural log 4 times x minus 2, which equals e to the power natural log 40, which is 40. This confirms our steps. Solved completely. Exact and approximate solutions shown.
Thanks for watching Myverse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.